Everyone, we've got a really lovely question here. We have a semicircle with an inscribed triangle, and we want to find out the radius of the semicircle. We are given the hypotenuse of 6 units, this angle here of 90, and this one here of 45 degrees. If you think you know how to do this, leave a comment below. And if you have an alternative solution to the one that I'm going to go through, by all means, drop a comment below as well. So the first thing we're going to do is just move this over to the side to give some space. Okay, so we have 90 degrees and 45 degrees on a straight line, so we know that this one here is 45 as well, because 45 plus 90 plus 45 is 180. Now, the trick to this is actually to take this figure and create a mirror image of it, so we can do that as follows. And then we have this angle here of 90. This one here is also going to be 45 because it's the same as this one over here. Next, we're going to drop a vertical line from this vertex over here. And we know that this angle here is 90 degrees. Knowing that this is 90 degrees, we can use the internal angles of a triangle, add up to 180. So 45 plus 90 is 180. Okay, next thing we are going to do is we are going to locate the center of this circle and construct the following radial lines. So that's these two over here. And we can call them both R. So the way that we solve this problem now is actually we use parts of the syllabus on circle theorem. And the particular theory that we're going to look at now is the following. So if we just highlight these line segments over here, what we know is that this angle and this angle here, they're both subtended by the same arc of the circle, this one. And what that then means is that this angle over here is half the size of the angle at the center. So this one is 45, this one is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, so here we now have a right angle triangle, and we can use Pythagoras to solve for R. So the sum of the squares of the two sides of the hypotenuse add up to the square of the hypotenuse. So that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are both r. So this would then simplify to 2r squared equals 36. To get r by itself, we first need to divide by 2. So we can do that to get r squared equals 18. And then we can take the square root of r squared and the square root of 18 to get r equals square root 18. Now we have the surd over here. We can actually express the surd by taking factors of 18. So we could have 9 and 2. So square root of 18 can also be expressed as the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. And then the square root of 9 we know is 3. So the radius is 3 square root 2. And that's the final solution. That's a really lovely question. Again, if you have an alternative solution, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.